Exercise 12.4, the first term letter, first subdivision. We have to find out the number pattern. The given formula is 5n plus 1. Now, instead of 1, we have to replace n is equal to 5, n is equal to 10, n is equal to 100. Okay. Now, 5 into 5. So, substitute instead of n, we have to replace 5. That is 5 into 5 plus 1. So, 5 into 5 is 25 plus 1 is 26. Next, instead of n, we have to replace 10. That is 5 into 10 plus 1. That is 5 into 10 is 50. 50 plus 1 is equal to 51. Next one is n is equal to 100. So 5 into 100 plus 1, that is 5 into 100 is 500 plus 1, that is 501. So the same pattern has to be followed for the second subdivision also. But the given formula is 3n plus 1. So we have to replace instead of n, we have to replace 5 and 10 and 100. So as a result, we will be finding out 16, 31 and 301. Similarly, for the third subdivision, the given formula is 5n plus 2. So instead of n, we have to replace 5, 10 and 100. So the results are 27, 52 and 502. Now for the second Roman letter, the given formula is 2n minus 1 and we have to find out the indicated term. So here the indicated term is n is equal to 100. Instead of n, we have to replace 100. That is 2 into 100 minus 1. So that is 2 into 100 is 200. 200 minus 1 is 199. Similarly, for the second subdivision, the given formula is 2n plus 2. Here the indicated terms are n is equal to 5, n is equal to 10 and n is equal to 100. It is just like the first Roman letter what we have done. The same thing has to be replaced. So n is equal to 5, that is 3 into 5 plus 2, that is 3 5s are 15 plus 2 is 17. So the same thing has to be followed for the third subdivision. Okay. So the results are 21, 41 and 401. And for the fifth subdivision, the given formula is n square plus 1. So we have to find the value of n is equal to 5, n is equal to 10 and n is equal to 100. So n square means instead of 5, so 5 square, that is 5 into 5 is 25. So 25 plus 1, that is 26. 10 square means 10 into 10, that is 100. 100 plus 1 is 101. Now 100 square means 100 into 100, that is 10,000. So 10,000 plus 1 is 10,001. Exercise 13.1, we have to find the value of the given exponent. Exponent means power. So 2 power 6. So 2 has to be multiplied by 6 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 6 times we have to multiply. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 2 will be 64. And similarly, we have to find out 5 power 4 means 5 has to be multiplied by 4 times. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5s are 25. So 25 into 25 is 625. The second Roman letter, we have to express the given expression as an exponential form. Exponential form means we have to write in terms of power. 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 means 6 power 1, 6 power 1, 6 power 1, 6 power 1. So the power has to be added. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 6 power 4. Okay. For the fourth subdivision, 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. 5s எல்லாம் ஒண்ணா group பண்ணிக்குவோம், 7s எல்லாம் ஒண்ணா group பண்ணிக்குவோம். Okay. So here it is 5 power 2 and here it is 7 power 4. So the exponential form is 5 power 2 into 7 power 4. And similarly for the sixth subdivision, we have a into a into a, c into c into c into c into d. So this is a power 3 and c power 4 and d power 1. For the third Roman letter, express the in exponential form. There is a number 512 is given. This has to be written in power formula வந்து எழுதுனா தான் exponential form. அப்போ first நம்ம என்ன பண்ணாக்க we have to divide the given number in prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 and so on, that will go on. சரியா? அப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த கொடுத்துருக்க நம்பரை வந்து 2ல டிவைட் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். அப்படி 2ல டிவைட் பண்ண முடியலன்னா அடுத்த நம்பர் 3ல பார்க்கணும். 3ல டிவைட் பண்ண முடியலன்னா 5, அப்புறம் 7, அப்படியே போயிட்டு இருக்கணும். இப்போ since it is an even number, since last digit is a even number, அப்போ this can be divided by 2. அப்போ 512 வந்து 2ல டிவைட் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னாக்கா 2 2s are 4, ரிமைண்டர் 1, அப்போ 11 வரும். அப்போ 11 divided by 2 அப்படின்னாக்கா 5 2s are 10, ரிமைண்டர் 1 12 ஆகும். அப்போ 6 2s are 12. Again the last digit is an even number, அப்போ 2ல டிவைட் பண்ணலாம். அப்படி டிவைட் பண்ணுறப்போ 256 divided by 2 அப்படின்னாக்கா 128. Since last digit is an even number, அப்போ again 2ல டிவைட் பண்ணலாம். அப்போ டிவைட் பண்ணோம்னாக்கா that is 64. Again it is an even number, 2ல டிவைட் பண்ணாக்கா 32. 32 again it is an even number, 2ல டிவைட் பண்ணுறோம்னாக்கா 16. 16 is an even number, அதை 2ல டிவைட் பண்ணோம்னாக்கா 8. 8 2s are 16. அடுத்து 8 is an even number, 2ல டிவைட் பண்ணுறோம்னாக்கா 4. Again this can be divisible by 2, அப்போ 2 2s are 4. Again it is divisible by 2, that is 1 time. அப்போ 502 can be written in the form of 2 into 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 2. அப்போ அதுதான் இங்கே வந்து எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணி எழுதியிருப்போம். that is 9 times வரும். அப்போ 2 power 9, this is called exponential form. அப்போ 512 can be written in the form of 2 power 9. Okay. Similarly for the fourth subdivision, it is given as 3125. Now it is clearly seen that the prime number 5ல வந்து this can be divisible. அப்போ 5ல டிவைட் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்றப்ப வந்து ஏன்னா 2லயோ 3லயோ டிவைட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகே, அப்போ 5ல டிவைட் பண்ணுறப்ப it is 6 5s are 30, ரிமைண்டர் 1 12 ஆகும். 2 5s are 10, ரிமைண்டர் 2, that is 25. அப்போ 5 5s are 25. Again this can be divisible by 5. அப்போ 5ல டிவைட் பண்ணுறப்ப வந்து 1 5s are 5, ரிமைண்டர் 1 12. அப்போ 2 5s are 10, ரிமைண்டர் 2 25 ஆகும். 5 5s. This 125 can be divisible by 5. அப்போ 5ல டிவைட் பண்ணாக்க 25 times. Okay. அடுத்து this 25 can be divisible by 5 times. அப்போ 5 can be divisible by 5, அப்போ 1 time. அப்போ 3125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 power 5. Okay. The fourth Roman letter, we have to identify which is greater, 4 power 3 இல்லாட்டி 3 power 4. எது வந்து கிரேட்டர்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அப்போ 4 power 3 அப்படின்னாக்கா 4 has to be multiplied by 3 times. 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4 is 64. 3 power 4 means 3 has to be multiplied by 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. அப்போ 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 3 is 81. அப்போ which number is greater? 81 is greater than 64. அப்போ 81 பதிலா 3 power 4 is greater than 4 power 3. Similarly for the fourth subdivision, 10 power 2 or 2 power 100. அப்போ 10 power 2 நாக்க 100 into 100 power 2. அப்போ 100 into 100, that is 10,000. Next வந்து 2 power 100 அப்படின்னாக்க this 2 has to be multiplied by 100 times. So this is quite impossible. அதனால I have split it as 2 power 5 into 2 power 5 into 2 power 5 into 2 power 85. ஏன்னா 85, this is 90, 95 and 100. The powers எல்லாம் ஆட் பண்ணாக்க 100 வரும். ஸோ 2 power 5நாக்க 32. அகைன் 2 power 5 32, 2 power 5 32 into 2 power 85. இது அப்படியே இருக்கட்டும். இப்போ 32 into 32 into 32 will be 32,768 into 2 power 85. ஸோ இதிலே நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு 2 power 100 is greater than 100 power 2. Fifth Roman letter, we got to express as a product of a prime factor. Prime factor வந்து இப்போ ஏற்கனவே நம்ம செஞ்சிட்டோம். சரிங்களா? அப்போ prime numbers already we have dealt with 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. இப்போ இதில் பார்த்தோன்னாக்க இப்போ 648 இருக்குது. Since it is an even number, அப்போ 2ன்ற prime numberல வந்து டிவைட் பண்ணாக்க that is 324. Again it is a even number. This is divisible by 2. அப்போ 162. Again it is an even number. அப்போ 2ல டிவைட் பண்ணாக்க 81 வரும். Now this cannot be divisible by 2. அப்போ 3ல ட்ரை பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். அப்போ 3ல 81 டிவைட் பண்ணாக்க 27 times. Again this 27 can be divisible by 3, that is 9 times. 9 can be divisible by 3, that is 3 times. 3 can be divisible by 3, that is 1 time. அப்போ இதோட ப்ரைம் ஃபேக்டர்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. அப்போ this is 2 power 3 into 3 power 4. Similarly for 405 க்கு பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னாக்கா this is divisible by 5th டேபிளில் டிவைட் பண்ணாக்க 81. இப்போ 81க்கு பார்த்தா நமக்கு ஆல்ரெடி டிவைட் பண்ணிருப்போம் 3rd டேபிளில். அப்போ this is 5 into 3 power 4ன்னு சொல்லி வந்திருக்கும். Now for 6th Roman letter we have to simplify 7 power 2 into 2 power 2. அப்போ 7 power 2 நாக்க 7 into 7, 2 power 2 அப்படின்னாக்க 2 into 2. So 7 7s are 49, 2 into 2 is 4, அப்போ 4 into 49 is 196. Now for 8th subdivision it is through 3 power 2 into 10 power 4. அப்போ 3 power 2 அப்படின்னாக்க 3 into 3, 10 power 4 means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, that is 3 3s are 9. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 will be 10,000. Up 9 into 10,000 is 90,000. For 7th Roman letter, we have to simplify minus 4 power 3, which means minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Up first in the minus 4 multiply pannaka, minus into minus will be plus. 4 4s are 16 into minus 4. Now, this is plus and this is minus. So, plus into minus is minus. 16 into 4 is 64. Minus 64 is the answer. Similarly, for the 4th subdivision, minus 2 power 3 into minus 10 power 3. So, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. So, here it is minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus. Upper 2 into 2 into 2 will be 8. So, this is minus 8. Here it is minus into minus will be plus, plus into minus is minus. 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000. So here it is minus 8 into minus 1000. That is minus into minus will be plus. 8 into 1000 is 8000. 8th Roman letter, we have to compare the given expression. 2 power 7 into 10 power 12 with 1.5 into 10 power 8. Now we have to compare the 10 power 12 and 10 power 18 பார்ப்போம். அதான் comparing the powers. அப்போ 10 power 12, here it is 10 power 8. Upper 12 or 8. Upper since 10 power 12 is greater than 10 power 8, therefore 2.7 into 10 power 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 power 8. Similarly, 4 into 10 power 14 with 3 into 10 power 17. இப்போ comparing the powers பார்த்தோம்னா 10 power 14 greater இல்லை 10 power 17 greater ன்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்க 10 power 17 is greater than 10 power 14. This implies 3 into 10 power 17 is greater than 4 into 10 power 14.